Hi friends, today we are going to discuss the integration 1 mark questions which you feel very difficult. So many of the people asked me to do integration, so I am going to do the integration. In that first I am targeting, so what is the blueprint of this, like integration blueprint we'll see. So you can observe here multiple choice questions 2 they are going to ask, and 2 marks questions 2. Okay, 3 marks questions 1, 5 marks questions also 1, 6 marks 1. Today our task is only this multiple choice questions. Okay, right? So let us discuss this multiple choice question, and the same worksheet I will share in the description also. Okay, so let us see then. Important questions all will be there. So many of the people don't know first question answer, because you people must know some basic points about the functions in this. So see here, the first point must be, so the function f of x under the integral sign is called the integrand. Okay, you must know what term is integrand. See here they are telling capital F of x, but what is integrand means small f of x. Small f of x is called integrand, so it is wrong option. Okay na. So another one, small f of x is they are telling like primitive or antiderivative. It is wrong actually. So what you must know, another point you must know, like, so a function capital F of x is called a primitive or antiderivative. Okay na, both are same, little changes are there, but okay. So here capital F of x is called what? Primitive or antiderivative, but they are telling small f of x, so it is also wrong. Okay, now what about c? Basically plus c is what? I hope everyone knows, arbitrary constant. C is said to be an arbitrary constant, arbitrary constant C is said to be a constant of integration, so it's not an integer. So then must be, what will be the correct answer? Just to do the differentiation on both sides. Okay na. So d by dx of integration of f of x dx can be written as f dash of x, constant derivative 0, derivative integral cancelled, so f of x is equal to d f of x by dx. I am doing with respect to x, no? So which option is correct here? Second option. Now here antiderivative of this. Antiderivative means what? Nothing but integration only, no? Nothing but integration only, no? Tell me here, what is the integration for this? Now you can tell very clearly, integral of x cube minus 1 by x square dx, right? Just segregate this. X cube by x square dx minus integration of 1 by x square dx, right? X square cube cancel, then what left? Only x will be there here, right? So integration of x dx minus integration of 1 by x square dx. Now I hope you people knows that integration of x is called x square by 2 minus integration of 1 by x square is what? So integration of 1 by x square dx formula minus 1 by x plus c. Okay, this is the formula which you must know. So I think you understood then. What I will get? X square by 2 plus 1 by x plus c. This is the second option. Okay, answer is what, amma? B. This answer is what here? Option B only. Next, let us do this question now. Third question. What is the third question answer? Integration of x to the power 3 by 2 plus 2e power x. Anyhow question is available, so better we'll do direct integration. Okay, so now tell me here, I would like to segregate x to the power 3 by 2 do 2x, then integration of 2 outside e power x dx minus integration of 1 by x dx. So I hope if you know integration formulas, these all are so easy. It looks like x power n. Integration of x power n what? X to the power 3 by 2 plus 1 by 3 by 2 plus 1 plus 2. Integration of e power x minus integration of 1 by x what? Log x over no. So check based on this answer. 2 1s are 2. 3 plus 2 like 5 by 2. So 2 by 5. 2 by 5 x to the power 5 by 2 plus 2 e power x minus log x plus c. So what is the correct answer? You observe and tell me then now. So 2 by 5 x to the power 5 by 2 plus 2 e power x. Okay, I can feel that option B is correct answer. Okay. So next question, fourth one what I have like integration of x power 2 by 3 dx plus integration of 1 dx. So even it looks like what x power n can be written as x to the power 2 by 3 plus 1 divided by 2 by 3 plus 1 plus 1 dx you can written as x plus c, right? Integration of 1 dx is what x. Now if I simplify this, what it will be? 3 1s are 3, 3 plus 2 5 by 2. Reciprocal means what? 3 by 5 x to the power 5 by 3. So which option is correct? So second option. It's very easiest question. Now for this sum, integration of sin x is called minus cos x. Okay, plus integration of cos x what here? Integration of cos x is plus sin x. Okay, so answer is what then now? Sin x minus cos x plus c. Okay, so let us discuss another question. So this question answer is 4 outside integration of e power x. So 4 integration of e power x dx plus 1 dx, right? 4 outside integration of e power x plus integration of 1 dx is what? X plus c. Clear. So which option is correct? X plus x. So no option is given properly. So you take like 4 e power x plus c. This is a okay correct option. Antiderivative of this antiderivative of this root x I required, right? Antiderivative means direct nothing but integration of root x plus 1 by root x whole dx, right? So you can segregate the integration root x dx plus integration of 1 by root x dx, right? So now you tell me integration of root x is what? So you people can tell so easily. What is integration of root x? It's nothing but x power 1 by 2. What you can feel that? X power 1 by 2. Integration of x power 1 by 2 what? You can write it as x power 1 by 2 dx. Okay. Next to integration of 1 by root x 1 by root x dx. So this can be written as x power 1 by 2 can be written as okay x power 1 by 2 plus 1 divided by 1 by 2 plus 1 plus integration of 1 by root x can be written as 2 root x plus c, right? This can be written as x to the power 3 by 2 whole divided by 3 by 2 plus 2 root x plus c. Now if it is reciprocal, what I will get? 2 by 3 x to the power 3 by 2 plus 2 root x plus c. So which option is correct? 2 by 3 2 by 3 x to the power 3 by 2. So option B is correct. Option 2 is correct. So 7 questions we did. Like that many questions are there, like every question we'll discuss. So easy to tough, we are moving easy to tough questions. Now 8th one, 8th question answer we required. So what is the 8th question answer? Okay, so 2 outside x dx minus 3 outside cos x dx plus integration of e power x dx, right? 2 okay. Integration of x is what? X square by 2 minus 3 okay. Integration of cos x just sin x plus integration of e power x plus c. Both get cancelled. What is the answer? x square minus 3 sin x plus e power x plus c. Clear. So next ninth question. Integration of a outside x square dx plus b constant outside, so x dx plus c constant outside, so 1 dx. A okay. Integration of x square what? X cube by 3 plus b. Integration of x is what? X square by 2 plus c. Integration of 1 is what? X plus c. Now which option is correct? Ax cube by 3 plus bx square by 2 plus cx plus c. This is the correct answer. Next 10th question we'll see. Integration of this root x, can you multiply inside, then root x into 1. Okay, this clear. Minus x into root x whole dx, right? Now how can I solve this? Integration of x power 1 by 2 dx minus, here integration of 1, root x means what? X power 1 into x to the power 1 by 2 dx. Bases are equal, powers can add, no? X to the power 1 by 2 dx minus x to the power 1 plus 1 by 2 is nothing but 3 by 2, no? So what I can take here? Then x to the power 3 by 2 whole dx, right? So now you can tell this question answer. X to the power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 minus x to the power 5 by 2 by 5 by 2 plus c. I hope you people knows the formula. Integration of x power n dx is called x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. You check this and you apply it, you will get that. So now the answer is 2 by 3 x to the power 3 by 2 minus 2 by 5 x to the power 5 by 2 plus c. Which option is correct? We can observe. Option B is correct. Okay, now antiderivative of 1 divided by square root of x square minus, so what is this formula? Who can tell? This formula, antiderivative means there are 6 theorems total, so chances are there to ask direct formulas also. So I have added these questions. Now this is nothing but log modulus of x plus root of what you have, x square minus a square plus c. So which option is correct then? Now option C. Now antiderivative of what is this formula? A square minus x square. Now this also we can say very clearly, sine inverse of x by a plus c. So this is the option A. So what about the next 13th one? 13th question. So it is also direct formula, no? 1 divided by integration of this question came many times for 1 mark in PUC, CBSE, even for CET it came. Okay, regular question, you must know it. So what is your answer for this? Many of the people knows this question answer, I hope. So 1 minute you think, and you please in comment session, I hope you will do this. I am expecting you to do in the comment session. Okay na? So direct you can say secant inverse of x. Okay na? Direct you can tell secant inverse of x. If you want to say in terms of cosecant inverse, minus must be there. Okay na? So next. So 14th one, like these all are NCERT questions only, not any other. So integration of, so just x square, can you multiply inside the box, means bracket. So now x square into 1 x square minus x square by x square whole dx, right? Both get cancelled. Now segregate and write integration of x square dx minus integration of 1 dx. Now this will be x cube by 3 minus integration of 1 dx, what amma? X plus c. Now antiderivative of sine 2x, nothing but integration of sine 2x dx. Now what is the formula here? Minus cos 2x by 2 plus c. I hope everyone knows. If it is differentiation, a constant should write front. Okay, integration, a constant will come in the denominator. Okay, now this is very most important question which they have given more times repeated in PUC, 1 mark question. Now let us start this. Integration of, just multiply inside. So cosecant square x plus cosecant x into cot x Okay, this is very clear, amma. Cosecant square x, then if you multiply cosecant x into cot x dx, direct formula scheme. No, integration of cosecant square x dx plus integration of cosecant x cot x dx. I hope everyone knows what is the formulas. Minus cot x minus cosecant x plus c. So which option is correct? First option. Similarly, there is one more question like this: secant x into secant x plus tan x, okay, whole dx. So how we can write then now? Secant x, if you multiply, which will become secant square x dx plus integration of secant x inside box, if you multiply with, you should multiply with both, no? So secant x into tan x whole dx, right? Integration of secant square x is what? Tan x plus integration of secant x tan x is nothing but what, amma? Okay, just secant x plus c. So these two are very most important models which you must know. Okay, now next question. Tan square 2x. In integration of secant square x you know, okay, cosecant square x you know, but you don't know tan square. So whenever you get the tan, like in terms of tan square, so you please convert into secant square 2x minus 1 dx. So always from the trigonometry identities, I hope everyone knows secant square x minus 1 equal to tan square x. This identity I will use always, okay na? Now let us discuss integration of secant square x, what? Tan x, but it is x, no, right? X coefficient 2 is there. Integration, no, so denominator minus integration of 1 dx, so which we can written as x plus c, okay, over, no? So now which option is correct? Tan 2x by 2 minus x plus c. See, now this question, integration of 1 by root x minus, okay, dx minus x divided by root x whole dx, right? Then again 1 divided by root x